They say that the president of the Republic of Nigeria, where they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu, don review a very big plan wey im get to make Nigeria good again and to reduce dollar from 1,770 to 600. This plan dey show every Nigeria dey rejoice as we dey talk right now. No be small thing o. They say that the IPOB don call out Chukwu Okike Abiama may use Ogbunigwe go after all the whole people who violate the oath wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu take. No be small thing o. As we dey talk right now, they say that Edo State become the first state in Nigeria to have one central monitoring control wey fit monitor the whole Edo State, know when something dey happen or not. No be small thing o. Na welcome development for inside the Edo State. As we dey talk, they say that the governor of Abia State wey be Alex Oti don sue Nigeria government over Lagos monopoly. Most of una no go understand this side, but this is interesting side if this article is legit. Listen, let me tell you something. They say that the Alex Oti don sue Nigeria government. Why? Because they no wan allow am making him build international airport. They no wan allow am make him bring international attraction come for Aba, something like seaport, or to get any other thing wey fit make international traders fit come for Aba buy something. They say the Nigeria government are trying to block it and referring him to Lagos. No be small thing, no, my people. We go find out how these things take dey happen. Welcome back to Barabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Before we proceed, I want to greet N0w Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It shall be well with you. You will live long. That sacrifice wey they pay for inside that place. Oh, your children will never suffer. Biafra will come in your own time. May God bless you, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nigeria, Sebuna don't wake up, abi. However, we'll go inside, go review the big plan where President Tinubu get so that Nigeria go good again. I want you to watch this video. Then we'll come back, continue.
Nigeria will see positive changes as we move along. Just go through these baby steps of pain. Baby step of pain. Me too, I'm taking baby steps.
My wonderful people, shey una don hear am. So very soon dollar will come down from 1,700 to 500 as e dey be. However, let's proceed go to another news. Abeg, may you let me know what you think for inside comment section. However, may you make sure say you dey take your baby step, because if you are not taking baby step, that means say we never dey ready for this bulaba. If person will come outside come tell una say bulaba, that town hall is different from bulaba, una no understand wetin dey talk. You don still tell another one that taking baby, why don't you take baby step? This baby step now we dey take una, so we go come take baby step. Small time you go come tell us say the pikin no fit waka again. However, we will proceed go for another news. They said that the Edo State don get central security wey fit dictate things wey dey happen for all the Edo State region. Let's watch the video before we come back, continue.
Honorable Commissioner,
good to see you.
Welcome to our facility. How are you?
Very good.
Good to have you.
Beautiful facility you have here.
So this is the, let me just show you something first. Please come. So this is the Edo State Command and Control Center, ably named after Dr. Arase, former IGP. So please welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So I wanted to show you around.
Please, I'll be loved.
Right. So please come in. As you can see, this is the Edo State Command and Control Center. What the IGP retired ably called a fusion center. This is about one of the robust command and control centers in the country, and I say that deliberately. We receive calls, the 112 739 calls as we speak. People should be able to try and make those calls. Call the 739, call the 112. They'll pick them here. This facility can take over 100,000 calls per second, per minute, depending on level of crisis.
So, Honorable Commissioner, right now, Edo residents can call the emergency number 112 or 739 right now.
Straight up,
and they'll get emergency response.
As we speak. And you see, I'm sure people are already responding. And you can see the tests here. This is the chat room. So in the event that you cannot call, you can send in your chat 24/7. It is manned. It's not manned by AI or anything. It's manned by human beings 24/7. Now, these are state-of-the-art dome cameras that we use, to look at. This is the Benin bypass. For instance, you can see the entire Benin bypass. Okay, the whole idea of crime is to prevent crime.
This is real life.
This is real life. This is look at it, 3:36:41 p.m. This is 13th February. It's real time. This is Ikobahi. This is Bilisa Play Road. That's Ikobahi right there. Ikobahi on the left, way on the right. Bilisa Play Road. This is Ogida Market left. Right, this is Ogida Market, right? So it changes. It changes. It changes. Once it boots, it changes. Our lines are toll free. 739 is toll free. 112 is toll free. Anytime, any day.
And anytime, any day.
24 hours, 24/7. We're here, and I keep saying this. You guys should test us. Give us a test.
They have cameras that's showing us major parts of the city. So if there's an accident on Ikoba Hill right now, you know it. So even before people get a call, we can see it right here that it's an accident here, and we can mobilize help.
The people who receive these calls, they are not call agents. They are emergency response calls. They are trained differently. If you call here, they are expecting any kind of call. Is it rape? Is it accident? Is it fire? Is it kidnap? Is it abduction? So they are trained to be able to get information within 1 minute. They escalate up. So this level 1, we're going to go upstairs to level 2. Level 2 is where you have all the various security agencies fused together. Is when you have. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. So this place is where you have all the various service agencies. You see, the army is here, the air force is here, the police is here, the fire service is here, the DSS is here, NDLA is here.
Yeah, my wonderful people, this one is very good, very, very good. At least to show that you people travel and also learn from other places, because some countries you don't find police outside itself, even the military. The camera does the work and give them report. No be smart, let's jump into Abia State and know wetin dey shele for inside that place. They say breaking news: Governor Alex Otti sue Nigeria government and Tinubu at ICC for refusing to open seaport and direct flights to international countries in Abia State. Governor Alex Otti taking a legal action for Abia State development, sue Nigeria government and the Tinubu at ICC over Lagos monopoly. Otti stated that his effort to open a seaport in Abia State has been declined by Nigeria government, and also in quest to get approval to start an international airport in Abia State has been trashed by Nigeria government. That he said he won't allow this happen, that he is ready to sacrifice anything possible to get Abia State working again. Alex Otti also went ahead and said that he has also placed a ban on Hausa cow and business in Abia State until the approval he is requesting. Also said that the northerners business will be standstill in Abia State. Alex Otti said so. This article, we just saw this news, but we are going to make sure that to properly investigate it very well, because this is a welcome development. I tell you people that something is holding Nigeria, and that is that federal government you hear. When you hear that federal government, that is what is holding Nigeria. When it comes to his 5 eastern region, let me tell you one thing. People are ready to transform Aba to London. Just few people can do that. Imo State, Anambra, and other states in Biafra land. They know that if Biafra could go out today, that Biafra will become a giant of Africa. Yeah, my wonderful people, let's jump into the next Ogbonge news where we'll get for our handle, and before we come back and continue, they say that the IPOBs has raised a very important prayer for the quest of Biafra, and to pray for Biafras and call the spirit of those who have left the struggle, who have died for the struggle, to rise and fight for this struggle. Let's watch the video before we come back and continue. My people, no be small thing, and please share this video and make sure say you leave your own opinion for inside comment section. I will pray that God will surely grant what we are looking for, and none Igbo will go hungry, especially in this time. God will provide for every family in Igbo land, in Biafra land. We will never beg anybody for food. Those who sow a minioko is their turn. Let them first sit there. Those who say that Igbos will not rule Nigeria, that Igbos are this one, Igbos will divide, let that mentality be with you people. So whatever you sow is what you will reap. My people, share the video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as it is hot.